Hello, in this video we will see how you can create a post, whether it is a video or a carousel, through a link. So let's say if you are reading any blog and you want to use that blog to create your content, how you can do that. So first we will click on create new in the left side here. Now here we will select the option for social media, and in this we'll select either long video or carousel. So I'll just select long video, then I'll click on continue. Now here in the top text to post, this option, I'll click on this and I will get the option for blog to post or script to post. So in blog to post, I can actually enter the link of the blog and the AI will automatically resurface that blog for me and I can generate a content from that blog. So I'll just click on it, and here you can see, here I can just enter the link of the blog, or if I want, I can just paste the content of the blog as well. Once I do that, I'll click on fetch content and then I can just customize the blog, like what should be the subtitle, title of my blog, then what should be slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, etc. Yeah, thank you.